Wiggle wire has been used in the industry for as long as I remember. With today's PDR glue technology, it seems techs are using wiggle wire less and less. But today, I'm going to show you how I use it to start deep crease repairs. I'll start off by getting the Maxi Dent pulling station set up. Then I'll weld the wiggle wire right into the deepest part of the crease. The goal here with the wiggle wire is to remove the bulk of the damage so that it's much more manageable and less intimidating. I'll use a claw attachment and a heavy-duty slide hammer to start removing the damage. I'll lean back and use my weight holding pressure before using the slide hammer. Then, I'll give it a few gentle pulls. I'll continue doing this along the whole crease. Now that I've worked along the whole crease, I'll remove the wiggle wire and we can have a look at what's left. You can see that the majority of the damage has been removed and I'm left with pretty much a crease and some waves running across the whole panel. Now it doesn't look like such a big nasty repair. I'll work the crease out with the Maxi spot puller and a slapping file, pulling up on the crease and knocking around to level it out. The reason I'm using a slapping file over a hammer at this stage of the metalwork is because the final shape of my panel is already restored and I'm only trying to work the crease. If you're interested in any of these tools, I'll leave a link to it in the description. Alright guys, I'm all done with the metalwork. I'm really happy with the way this one turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out my YouTube channel where you can find all sorts of auto body videos just like this. And don't forget to subscribe.